Baghpat, once the stronghold of the RLD, but today Ajit Singh's family has been isolated by other political parties. The Muzaffarnagar riots also led to a polarization of votes along communal lines, especially here in western Uttar Pradesh, where Jats voted in large numbers for the BJP. In fact, Ajit Singh could not even hold on to the family bastion and stronghold of Baghpat, losing it to the BJP.
ये लोग कमजोरी में गठबंधन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई गठबंधन हो ना गठबंधन हो, ये कई फाइट बनी। हमारा सीधा मुकाबला अपना फिरका प्रस्त पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी से।
The Congress wanted the RLD to join its alliance with the Samajwadi Party to avoid splitting the anti-BJP vote here. The Congress barely wants to give it 20 from the 100 plus the SP has given it. The RLD wants 30. The Samajwadi Party says it's not concerned with the RLD. The BJP, which swept Western Uttar Pradesh in 2014, feels it doesn't need the RLD, which it decimated. This would mean advantage BSP, as the main fight would then be between Behenji and the BJP in Western Uttar Pradesh. Another factor, the dominant sugarcane farmers here feel that voting for the BJP may help them get their 2-year-old dues from sugar mills.
बीजेपी तो देंगे वोट, जो अगर किसानों का फायदा होगा तो जब भी तो देंगे वोट।
We're outside the farmhouse of Ajit Singh, where his supporters are increasingly getting impatient to hear the final word on whether their party, the Rashtriya Lok Dal, will be part of a grand alliance with the Congress and the Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh. But as time runs out, RLD stands isolated.
कोई टिप्पणी मेरी नहीं है। उत्तर प्रदेश की आवाम, उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता यूपी के विकास के मुद्दे पे इस चुनाव में मतदान करे, यही मेरी उम्मीद है।
With Sandeep Phukan in Delhi, with camera person Madan Lal in Baghpat, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.